Hello everyone, this is Syntax Error and welcome back to another episode of the How to Create a Spigot Plugin series. And in this episode, we are going to take a look at how to create a test server to test our Minecraft plugins with. So first of all, we're going to go into Google Chrome, into this website called getbookit.org. The links for these websites will be in the description below. So we're going to download the latest Spigot file, which is Spigot 1.16.4. So if you go ahead and click on that, it will take us to another page, and we're going to download this Spigot 1.16.4.jar file. You can click on that and it will start our download, and then we're going to drag this file into our computer, into our desktop, and then we are going to create a folder and we're going to name it 1.16 server. It doesn't really matter what we name the folder. And then we are going to drag this file into the folder that we created, and then we're going to right click and create a new text document, and we're going to name it start, and then we are going to get rid of the txt and put bat instead. So we're going to create a file named start.bat, and remember it has to be bat, a bat file to work. Then we're going to press enter, and then we're going to press yes. Then we're going to right click on it and edit it with Notepad++. I recommend downloading Notepad++ so that it's easier to modify files. So once we are inside this start.bat, we can go ahead and go into our Google Chrome again and go into this website. Again, the website link will be in the description, and we're going to scroll down to this installation section. And for me, I'm using Windows, but for other operating systems there are other codes. So we're going to copy and paste this code into our start.bat, and then we are going to have to change our hashtag to 1 and 1. For 1G means that it's going to be a 1 gigabyte server. And then for this part, this jar, spigot.jar part, we're going to need to go back to our 1.16 server thing, our folder, and then we are going to need to follow the exact same file name to paste it inside here. So it's spigot-1.16.4.jar. Then we are going to write the exact same name inside. So dash 1.16.4.jar is already written. So we are going to save this now and close it. Then we are going to go and double click on start.bat, and we can ignore this message. It will start loading our libraries in about 20 seconds. So I'll see you when the files have started to load. Alright, the libraries have started to load. And so if you go ahead into our 1.16 server again, you can see that there are actually quite a few files that have been added into our folder. So first of all, we're going to need to go into our eula.txt and open it up. Then we're going to need to change the false to a true. And then we're going to save it and close it. Then we're going to press any key to continue. So we're just going to press enter. And then we are going to need to double click on our start.bat again and wait for it to start. Okay, it's starting to build up again. So when it's going to build up, it's going to do a lot of information. So load up a lot of things. And usually it will take sometime around 3 minutes to 4 minutes, maybe even 5 minutes if it's slightly slower. So it's going to do a lot of these compiling and stuff. So I'm going to boot up Minecraft, and I'm going to see you in Minecraft and after all this has been built. Alright, I've loaded up Minecraft, and we can actually see in our console that our server has finished. So it says done in the last line. So we can go ahead and go into our multiplayer and add a server. And for the server address, we're going to put in localhost. and click done. So now we can join our test server, and then it will put us in our test server, and we're gonna time set day real quick so I don't die. Yeah, and then now we're gonna take a look at how we are going to put plugins into our Minecraft server. So if you go ahead and go back into my desktop, you can actually see that I have a plugin ready to be put into the server. So we can double click on this 1.16 server, the folder that we created just now. Then we can go into our plugins folder and drag and drop the plugin into that folder. Then we can go back into our Minecraft server and /reload, and make sure you kind of need op to run this command. So it's gonna take around maybe like 10 to 15 seconds, and it's reloaded already. So if you go ahead and type /plugins, you can just see that our plugin is added into our Minecraft server. So that's how we create a Minecraft server and how to add plugins into our Minecraft server. So that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna see you in the next video, which will be looking at how to create a custom item with custom lore and everything in IntelliJ. So I'll see you when I see you in the next video, and bye.